The automotive industry is undergoing a revolution. Electric vehicles are now a powerful force in the market. Audi, synonymous with luxury and innovation, is at the forefront of this electric revolution. The Audi A8 e-tron represents the pinnacle of Audi's electric ambitions. This flagship sedan blends cutting-edge technology with opulent comfort. It is a statement of sustainability without compromising performance. In this review, we will explore the intricacies of this remarkable machine. Join me as we uncover what makes the Audi A8 e-tron a true game-changer. Get ready to enter the world of the Audi A8 e-tron. Step inside the Audi A8 e-tron, and you will be enveloped in a sanctuary of luxury. The interior design is a testament to Audi's commitment to excellence. Every detail has been carefully considered, from the stitching on the seats to the layout of the controls. The seats are crafted from the finest Valcona leather, providing unparalleled comfort and support. They are designed to cradle you on long journeys. The dashboard features a sweeping digital display that spans the width of the vehicle, offering a seamless blend of technology and design. This display provides all the essential information at your fingertips, including navigation, entertainment, and vehicle settings. It's designed to be intuitive and user-friendly. The intuitive infotainment system responds to your voice commands, keeping your hands on the steering wheel and your eyes on the road. This ensures a safer and more enjoyable driving experience. The panoramic sunroof floods the cabin with natural light, creating an airy and spacious ambiance. It brings the outside world in, enhancing your connection with the environment. The ambient lighting system allows you to set the mood with customizable colors. Whether you prefer a calming blue or a vibrant red, the choice is yours. The Audi A8 e-tron's interior is more than just a space to travel in. It is a destination in itself. It is designed to be a haven of tranquility and sophistication. It is a place where you can relax, recharge, and enjoy the journey. Every aspect of the interior is designed to enhance your comfort and well-being. The Audi A8 e-tron's exterior design is as striking as its interior is luxurious. It is a study in elegant lines, athletic curves, and a commanding presence. The signature Audi single-frame grille is now a solid, sculpted element hinting at the electric powertrain. The sleek LED headlights illuminate the road ahead with brilliant clarity. The aerodynamic profile and gently sloping roofline create a sense of motion even when the car is standing still. Flush door handles add to the sleekness of the design, automatically extending as you approach. The A8 e-tron is available in a range of sophisticated colors that accentuate its elegant lines. The Audi A8 e-tron's exterior design is a testament to Audi's commitment to blending form and function. The design language of the Audi A8 e-tron continues seamlessly to the rear. The rear is characterized by its wide stance and sporty yet sophisticated design elements. The full-width LED taillight spans the entire width of the vehicle, connected by a thin light strip. The taillight features a unique lighting signature with multiple segmented LEDs. These LEDs create a mesmerizing light animation when you lock or unlock the vehicle. The rear bumper is cleanly sculpted, housing a subtle diffuser hinting at the A8 e-tron's performance capabilities. The e-tron badging is discreetly placed on the trunk lid, serving as a subtle reminder of the vehicle's electric pedigree. The A8 e-tron's rear design is a testament to Audi's meticulous attention to detail. Walking into an Audi showroom is an experience in itself. The A8 e-tron, as the flagship electric sedan, is typically showcased in a dedicated area. The lighting highlights the A8 e-tron's sculpted lines and lustrous paintwork. A neutral color palette creates an elegant backdrop, allowing the car to take center stage. High-gloss flooring enhances the feeling of spaciousness and reflects the A8 e-tron's sleek design. Digital displays showcase its advanced technology and customization options. These displays might feature interactive elements, allowing potential buyers to explore the A8 e-tron's features in detail. The overall atmosphere of the showroom is designed to be relaxed and inviting. Expert sales representatives are on hand to answer any questions and guide potential buyers. While the Audi A8 e-tron excels in luxury and comfort, it is no slouch when it comes to performance. This electric marvel is designed to offer a driving experience that is both thrilling and refined. This car blends its serene driving experience with electrifying acceleration and agile handling. The A8 e-tron is engineered to provide a dynamic yet smooth ride, making every journey enjoyable. The A8 e-tron houses a powerful dual-motor electric powertrain, delivering exhilarating performance. These motors work in harmony to ensure that power is delivered efficiently and effectively. The electric motors provide instant torque and seamless acceleration. This means that the car responds immediately to your inputs, offering a driving experience that is both responsive and engaging. Press down on the accelerator and you will be greeted with an immediate surge of power. This instant response is one of the many joys of driving an electric vehicle like the A8 e-tron. The sophisticated suspension system provides the perfect balance of comfort and handling. It absorbs road imperfections effortlessly, ensuring a smooth and composed ride. Whether navigating city streets or cruising on the highway, the A8 e-tron delivers a composed and engaging driving experience. Its versatility makes it an ideal choice for any driving scenario. The regenerative braking system recovers energy during deceleration, enhancing the car's efficiency. This feature not only extends the driving range, but also contributes to a more sustainable driving experience. The transition between regenerative and traditional braking is seamless, ensuring a smooth driving experience. This seamless integration is a testament to the advanced engineering behind the A8 e-tron. The Audi A8 e-tron embodies the future of luxury motoring, setting new standards in the automotive industry. It seamlessly blends cutting-edge technology, sustainable performance, and unparalleled comfort, making every journey an extraordinary experience. From its sleek exterior design to its opulent interior, the A8 e-tron makes a statement of elegance and sophistication. The spacious cabin is crafted from the finest materials and equipped with advanced technology features, ensuring a luxurious and comfortable ride. The A8 e-tron is not just about luxury, it is also a technological tour de force, showcasing Audi's commitment to innovation. The advanced electric powertrain delivers exhilarating performance, and the sophisticated suspension system provides a balanced and smooth ride. In a world focused on sustainability, the Audi A8 e-tron stands as a beacon of innovation and luxury, leading the way towards a greener future. It is a car for those who demand the very best and refuse to compromise on their values, offering an unparalleled driving experience. The A8 e-tron is a true game-changer in the world of luxury electric vehicles, redefining what it means to drive in style and comfort.
Attention gearheads! Rev up your curiosity with Road Titan's Insight. Discover latest features, in-depth reviews of your favorite vehicles. Your engagement helps us create even more interesting and informative contents. So please, don't forget to support us by liking this video and subscribe our channel and smash that bell icon for instant updates. Thanks for watching.